Hello everyone, welcome back. So in this video, we'll be talking about Kinesis data streams. So let's go ahead and start. So for this particular dashboard, go to the services and here you can see analytics, click that. And here you'll be finding Kinesis, so click that. So this is how you can come to this dashboard. And once you are here, click Kinesis data streams. So let's go ahead and create one. So you can see it's collect and store data streams. So collect gigabytes of data per second and make it available for processing and analyzing in real time. So that is what it is. So let's go ahead and create one. Create data streams. So before that, let me bring the diagram. So this is what we are going to talk in this video. So we have producers, we have Kinesis data stream, and we have consumers. So coming to the producers, producers put records into Amazon Kinesis data streams. For example, a web server sending log data to the stream is called as producer. And coming to this consumer, it gets the record from Amazon Kinesis data streams and process them. So these consumers are also known as Amazon Kinesis data streams applications. So that is what it is known as according to the docs. So initially we'll be going to create these Kinesis data streams. Once we are created, we'll be also looking into like shreds, which you can see here. So basically in on-demand, the shreds are fixed, whereas for provision, you can change. So we'll be looking into that. And specifically in consumers, we'll be using Amazon S3. So let's go ahead and see how that is done. So let me take it back. And so let's talk about, let's give the name as sample and coming to on-demand. So on-demand Amazon data streams handle shreds automatically for optimal throughput. So you build based on the actual throughput that has been used. So usually it's by default. So you can see the write capacity that we have and the read capacity. So for example, if you chose provision mode, you determine the number of shreds for the data streams, and the total capacity is the sum of these shred capacities. So you can adjust shred count as required, and the charges are being based on the hourly rate per shred. So this is what is, so you can just click shred estimator, and based on your needs, you can just select it. So in this case, I'll just, instead of using provisioned, I'll be using with on demand, the default option. And I'll just go ahead and create one. So once it is done, so coming to the shred definition, according to the docs, a shred is a uniquely identified sequence of data records in the stream. A stream is composed of one or more shreds, and each of which provides a fixed unit of capacity that we have just seen. So once we have created it, the next one will be, you can see, we have producers and consumers. So producers put the data into the Kinesis data streams. Consumers get the records from Kinesis data streams and process them. So these are the producers that we have. So based on our requirement, I can just select it. Let's go ahead and create the consumer as we have talked before. Now let's go ahead and create the data fire hose. So process with the delivery stream, click that. And coming to the destination, so these are different destinations that we have. So we can select Amazon S3. Yeah. So we have got the source setting, which is a sample that we have just created, and the stream name. And coming to transform and convert these records, you have two options like transform source record with AWS Lambda. So basically, you can invoke your AWS Lambda functions to transform incoming source data and deliver to transform data to specific destinations. So you can click this and you can select your Lambda function. So in this case, I'm just not selecting it. And similarly, you can convert your record format. You can enable it, and based on the options, you can just select it. So that's it. And coming to the destination, you can select the destination file. So right now we don't have any. So you can, okay, let's click this template. Let's choose that. So this is the destination that we have. And coming to dynamic partitioning. So basically it lets you organize streaming S3 data into specific sets by using partition keys. So if you want to enable this, you can enable this, and you can just, leave everything as default and create it. So this is how you can create a consumer. And we'll be also talking more about like how to send data and stuff in the coming videos. Coming to this video, I just wanted to show you like how to create this, and you can see like how it works. So this is just a theoretical video. I hope you guys understood the concept of today's video. If you have liked the video, please click the like button below. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel and please share the video. Thanks everyone.